This is the presentation of the decimal system, and this is the third presentation with the real material or quantities. I'm using base 10 blocks today, but you can also use golden beads, which are more concrete. And here I have 9 of each: units, tens, hundreds, and thousands cubes. And the purpose of this lesson is to help children understand the decimal system, which is our base 10 system. And to start off with, you'll build quantities and ask the child how much it is. For example, how much is this? Yes, that's 300. And notice I'm only using one hierarchy of numbers at a time. How much is this? Yes, that's 5 tens, or you could say 50, and so on. Once they're getting that, you can switch it and ask them to bring you quantities. Can you show me 200? Yes, that's 200. And you can also have them stack it. And I like to have them keep everything in the same hierarchy. So when showing hundreds, they're next to the hundreds so that they get that sense of place value. All right, now once they have a good understanding of that, you can start combining two hierarchies at a time. So for example, how much is this? Yes, that's 130, or 103 tens. How much is this? Yes, that's 12. And so on. And then again, once they're getting that, you can reverse it and ask for quantities 2 at a time. So for example, can you show me 510? Yes, that's 510. Okay, and so on. And then you can continue on until your students can build numbers with all 4 hierarchies. Now, in the Montessori classroom, children in the preschool, kindergarten age start right off the bat with big numbers in the thousands. If you are sticking with the Common Core in kindergarten, children learn numbers up to the hundreds, but you can still use this same lesson regardless. All right, that is the presentation of the decimal system using real quantities.